Hello to all the buyers on the Stocklear platform. I am delighted to be with you today live from the warehouse in Liers in the north of France to present to you one among many, a lot from Grover. So Grover is a German retailer specialized in renting high-tech products to individuals for periods between 0 and 5 years, on average 2 to 3 years of rental. These products then return to us on the Stocklear platform in different conditions, from new to non-functional, including functional use. And carefully read the definitions of these conditions. They are the blue bubbles in the office. It's very important. It's the complete definition of the condition. It will explain the slight defects, the appearance defects, the signs of wear that you might have, whether there are accessories or not, etc., etc. It's extremely important to read these qualities carefully. You can also find them by downloading the Excel file with the maximum information on the lots and on each product that makes up the lot. And today we are going to present a batch of phones, Apple phones. So these are iPhones. So here it's a sample of a complete batch of iPhones that you will find on Stocklear. And by the way, there will surely be several batches of iPhones for different qualities. Here, I don't know this particular quality. In any case, it's just one. So I'm going to open one. Well, that's very good. We are on an iPhone. Which model? I don't remember. It is not necessarily marked. No, it is not marked. A green iPhone. So here we have slight signs of wear, potential micro scratches. On the corners, there are slight impacts. There are no major damages or big dents. The camera looks intact visually. Here we have the original pouch. In 95% of cases, we have the original packaging. You still have the little tool to change the SIM card, a charging cable. So it's a pretty good package for this product. So this is one of the iPhone lots, but I'm going to pick one at random. Come on, let's do a second one. White iPhone, same. Here you see the back is broken, so it took a hit. It's broken. Potentially, it could be a functional used item, meaning there are slight damages, defects, but the device is functional. You still have the original packaging. There is a charging cable that is a bit dirty and might need cleaning.
Here are two examples, at least for this batch.
Above all, don't hesitate. An important thing is to register a delivery address on your Stocklear account. This will allow you to get shipping quotes for a rate so you can be delivered to your home. There is also a bubble at the bottom right of your screen for chat. You can ask us any questions you want. We will be happy to answer. Don't hesitate to let us know if you want us to call you back about a potential lot. There you go. In any case, it was a lot of iPhones from Grover. We wish you a good review of the offers and very good bidding. See you soon.